Welcome back to Backyard MTB, and today we're doing raw ride number 4.
Shall we back with raw ride number 4? Oh, yes, sir. Ooh. Oh, Sean, who can pedal now? You guys listen, so I'm just saying this right now. I've been getting super good at bunny hopping, 7-inch tall roots and stuff. So if you see a pretty sizable root that I have speed for, I will be hopping so hard. And y'all will see that you guys will not see a single boom, boom, that I taste it. So just prepare for the insomnia of me bunny hopping. So if this trail looks familiar, it's because we actually did ride it before. It's just that we cut this one, we cut it short. So, and it also leads to the next trail right there. So we're taking a break. Oh wow, that was a way to start it. Sean, I'm rocking 7 right now. All right, guys, here we go. A lot of prickles.
3, 2, 1. Boom!
I caught that. All right. Wait a minute. Oh, wow, that was a way to start it. I'm on a high gear. I'm on 10.
The funny thing about what's about to happen here is that he literally called his death.
There's so many
it was
thorns
too
up where
funny.
we live. It's
Keep
kind of
thorns in your head for 2 seconds.
Oh, what the heck? How about that? Oh my God. Technical difficulty. Long story short, he fell. Make you moving. Yeah, I'm ready. I mean, you're the one that fell. Oh my left. Woo! Dude, this is awesome. No! I'm failed. So guys, this is, Sean texted me and he was like, Wyatt, this is a video. I was like, all right, what is it? He was like, this switchback trail thing. I was like, all right, sweet. I was like, when are we doing it? It was like Wednesday. I was like, you know that's when we have to post a video, right? And he was like, yeah, I'm aware. I was like, so how are we supposed to do this? So it's pretty much why we decided to do a raw ride, because if it's on Wednesday, we have minimal editing time. Oh, Sean, move, I got this first try. No way. Woo! You're gonna hit it. Dude, my legs are straight up Lance Armstrong legs.
Yo, it's Jim here. What? I thought you said that you could bunny hop. Don't give me that thing that said you don't have any speed, cause like you're just bad. Okay.
No speed.
Thank y'all. Excuse me, Wyatt. I just said that you can give me that
Stop.
no speed thing, cause like you're just bad. Okay.
Never mind, I'm good.
Yeah.
I had a stick in my wheel. Oh. I'm guessing they were gonna make a berm here. That's just... Oh my! That is huge. All right, so guys, we came back and there's this little lip area that we can actually get pretty high on the jump. So that's what you're gonna see both of us do real quick. And I just saw Sean do it. He got some air and I'm about to get so much more. Cause like, I'm the jump guy. Pump. After much debate over whether we should jump a 3-foot tall tree, we are back on the trail. So this part coming up, like this next like 2-3 minutes, is so cool. It's like such an open area that you ride in. We're not like per se open. It's pretty sick. Like, look, you can see that, it's just all like that. It's pretty cool. No. Oh, jeez. Oh yeah, I forgot. Here it comes with like these weird berms. That's awesome. Oh, I'm gonna clear this. Let's go. All right, boys, we need to race to beat the time. All right, race to beat the rain. Because we feel it drizzling. the right, that's in the pile. Lost the pedal. Sean needs to realize that the rain isn't that bad. Like, the only time it's bad yeah, there's a train right there if you didn't know. Oh no. Oh no. Why? Just why? Oh my gosh! There's straight up 18 of them. So if you're wondering where Sean is, he just dusted me. Oh wait, no, never mind, he's right here. Wait, no, never mind. He is not right here. Oh my gosh. I almost just went OTV. Hi. What? Well, look away. I can't hear you. Oh. That's my name. Oh, jeez. Well, it's officially raining. We just reached the trail to go back. Oh God, we're not ready for this. We'll check back with you once we get back to my house. Show you the damage. Oh, man. This isn't gonna be good. All right, guys, well, the water's picking up, as you can hear, and yeah, well, we'll see you in a fat second. All right, guys, thanks for watching Backyard MTV. 2 dudes, 2 bikes, 20 trails. Peace. And make sure to check out Trailhound MTV. It's their last day for their clearance sale. And yeah. What the camera connection lost? Oh, it just died. Well, that's great. So yeah, make sure to check out Trailhound MTV. Great qualityness. It's raining right now. Kept us dry. It's downpouring. I was wearing a wind blazer and it also functioned as a rain jacket. So it was fun for the spring. So nice, and you better go check it out. Their Instagram and their shots in the description below. And have a nice day.